Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to apply for Medicare card online for Australia. Now this is the URL login.my.gov.au, and basically if your Medicare card, if your Medicare account is actually linked to MyGov, you can actually apply for a card online. All right, so this is what you need to do. Just go ahead and sign in right on that URL I showed you, and then select my card. And after that, I want you to select get a new card and a number. And just follow the prompts along, and they should have a card delivered to you. And just note that you can only get a card online if you meet all of these requirements. You need to be living in Australia, and you're an Australian citizen, a New Zealand citizen, or you have a permanent resident visa. You're 15 years or older. You're only on one Medicare card. Someone else doesn't act on your behalf for Medicare purposes, and also that you're not in the care of a state or territory child protection authority. And of course, your current Medicare card has other people on it. So if you meet all of these requirements, you can apply online and they will get a new card for you. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.